Hair. It's the same packaging like I got it in the last time. It has the name of their brand. It says nice hair from Human Hair Factory. Yeah, simple drawstring bag. When I open the bag, I see the wig, and then I have like information card here. Then I also got a wig cap and extra elastic band. I like when they send these long extra elastic bands. These help with when you're trying to melt in your lace and make everything look more skin-like. So I'm happy I got one more of this to add to my collection. Okay, so we have this number 27 straight 13 by 4 lace front wig. I am happy about that. The knots do look pre-bleached and this is pre-plucked. Your girl is happy about this because it's summertime, scream summer, you know. I'm all about my inches, you know. I mean, for summertime you can go with shorter lengths as it is more, you know, comfortable, less heat, you know, especially when you're in the tropics and such. But I'll work with it. I'm fine. I don't mind the color either. Today I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, I'm excited to go ahead and install this. I might want to do a half up, half down. I'm not sure as yet, but I'm happy to have gotten this. It's pretty full from the tip to the end, so I'm happy with that. The texture, it's not extremely silky. It does feel a little coarse, but you know, like that feeling you get from Brazilian hair. So, but I know that's also because it's processed. So yeah, that's how it feels. Am I getting shedding? Yes, I got one strand just now. Haven't gotten any more. Yes, I got 2 strands. So it's minimal shedding right out of the packaging. Minimal. Inside of the cap has 3 combs, well 4 combs in total, and adjustable straps. And I really like how the lace looks. So that's how that looks. Nice, long, luscious number 27 wig. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump into installing this. Let's go. And I'm gonna use my Got To Be today, Got To Be spray.
We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now, right now. Baby, we can turn up. We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now, right now. Baby, we can turn up.
Okay guys, so the lace is looking pretty good. I'm just gonna do 2 swoops. I don't usually do the most with like blonde hair and edges because it doesn't really stand out that much with blonde hair. So I usually just do the bare minimum, and you don't have to do any at all. What I realized with this texture, right, is because it's so processed and stuff, is that because it's on the coarser straight side, it will be more prone, it will be easier to tangle. So you want to be sure that you handle this with care. It is definitely a little bit more maintenance. You have to give it a little bit more attention. And as I said, I'm definitely getting shedding, minimal shedding, so bear that in mind. You know, I'm gonna give you guys all the tea.
Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now, right now. Baby, we can turn it.
Alright guys, so I must say this lace, I really like it. It has melted down really nicely, like, and as you see, I really just follow through with my 2 swoops, and it's so like minimalistic. It's because it's blonde hair, it doesn't stand out like black hair. And I mean, okay guys, so I'm done with straightening this hair. It is very luscious. That is very flowy. I love the movement. It moves like butter. Look at that. That is so stunning. So I'm very impressed with the flow of the hair. The next thing I'm impressed with, and if you notice I'm not wearing makeup right now, is also the lace. Usually with like blonde colors or so for dark skins. Like, I feel like for me personally, I always feel pressured into having to wear makeup with like blonde wigs or blonde color, you know, because I feel like the hairline it kind of need makeup to help it out, to blend a little bit more. There's absolutely no makeup on the lace at all right now, absolutely none. The only portion I applied makeup was here with my comb, you understand? So I'm impressed with how nicely the lace melted. It's pretty decent, you know, it's pretty decent. And so I wanted to show you guys this clip where I just didn't have on any makeup at all. I will be wearing this wig throughout my day tomorrow, so I will be putting on makeup a little bit later on with this, but I didn't go ahead and layer the front or anything because I feel like I'm gonna probably do like 2 braids and kind of pull it back out of my face, so I don't have it all the, like, you know, like here, yes, to the back, and just kind of have it like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you'll see that in this clip, but all in all, I feel like this wig was very easy to install. It was very easy to work with. Again, I love the flow of the hair. The color is perfect for summer. It's nice and full. It's not stringy, you know. So yeah, my only thing is that I wish it was a little silkier. And yeah, and as I said, do expect minimal shedding because that's definitely there. So yeah, I feel like all in all, it's pretty decent quality. You know, you guys know I'm gonna give you an honest review, and those are my honest thoughts on today's wig. Let me know if you like this wig look. Go ahead, leave your thoughts in the comment section. The direct link to this wig, you know, where you can order it and all that stuff, the specifications on the wig, you know, the density, all of that, it will be listed again in the description box if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just one big up on yourself.